Morgan, everyone! Current day Morgan here, and I'm currently editing the video you're watching right now. I wanted to hop in here really quickly and do like an intro to this video so it's not super confusing. To answer your first question, no, I am not currently in Japan, but if you've ever watched travel videos on my channel, I tend to like bulk film a bunch of content and then I come home and sort through them and edit them and upload them over time. So in this video, I have a ton of footage doing like a walking slash shopping tour of Daiso, looking at all of their various beauty products, hair products, skincare, etc. So I went to a couple different Daisos, which is why I'm including a couple different shopping vlogs in this video and why I wanted to intro it so it wasn't confusing, like, wait, why is she wearing different clothing and her hair is different and is she even in Japan right now? So that's why I'm hopping on here to just clarify really quickly. So the first Daiso that you're going to see right now is the first Daiso I had ever gone to in Japan. But unfortunately, I went to one in a subway, so the Daiso was quite small. I still filmed a bunch of content in there and bought quite a few items. So that's the video you're about to see right now. Okay, so today we're going to Daiso. This is the first time I'm going to Daiso in Japan. We have Daisos back where I live, but I want to check out Daiso here. So we had a little bit of a hard time trying to find it. It's actually an underground one, it looks like. I think we're in Shinjuku Station. I'll have to double check. But yeah, let's go shopping at Daiso. Little sushis. They look too realistic. They're kind of creepy. So far this looks like kind of a tiny little Daiso. I'm seeing a lot of the same stuff that I see at my Daiso back in the States. Oh my gosh, actually I'm not. There are definitely some different stuff here. Some fancy stuff. All these cooking things are so cute. So I'm going to do some, oh, they have like chopsticks and everything. I'm gonna do some exploring. I'm basically here for, let's face it, beauty stuff. So I found the beauty aisle, obviously. Let's see what they have, if they have anything that they don't have at my Daiso. This is something I've tried before that I actually really like, that I know they're popular for, is their makeup sponge cleaner. What? Look at these little Hello Kitty eyeshadows. They have all kinds of colors. Maybe I should try some of these. Oh my gosh, look at all the Hello Kitty nail polish. All of these are Hello Kitty. I love them. Wow, look. We've got serums, collagen. What's this one? Royal jelly, hyaluronic acid, and placenta. What's this? I don't even know what this is. Hair oil, maybe? Something bee related. Here are those serums. Oh, what are these? Up here. Makeup removing sheets. Maybe I'll pick these up. It's always nice to have these kind of on hand for swatches. They've got BB creams up there. They've got some eyelashes here. These are actually, are these the same brand I like? Kind of look like it. Ooh. Got compressed. I wonder if these are biodegradable. They've got some face masks. What are these? Some more makeup removing sheets. Oh, these are kind of convenient. They're like smaller packs. Here's some more facial masks. They have like makeup sponges too. Like, this is kind of cool. This is mascara reviver. I guess you put this in your old mascaras. That's kind of different. I might try one. It's kind of cool. We don't have those at my Daiso. Let's see what else they have. Here are all the little Hello Kitty eyeshadows. They're so cute. Got eyebrow coat. Some eyebrow pencils. They have like medicated milky lotion. Ooh, hyaluronic acid. Like gel. What's this? Moisturizing product. Cute. I'm gonna get a couple things, I think. I found these. These kind of look cool too. I read about these online. They're like body sheets to freshen you up. Maybe I should try those too. These strawberry flavored? Oh, I guess I'll try that. Oh, they've got Disney ones. How cute. Or what are these ones? These are large. Maybe these are more what I'm thinking. Okay, I think I'm gonna try these ones. Oh, they've got silicone covers, huh?
Heel covers. Like when you're wearing high heels.
Medicated bath tablets for like a bubble bath? How crazy, like little bath bombs. Ew! So cute. Oh, they've got like little hair scrunchies. Oh, this is what I want. I want one of these. These little shower things.
They're for your hair.
Yeah, for shampooing. They have these makeups too, which look kind of cool. Maybe I'll grab some of these. These look like they're new. So I might try some of those. They got like cream shadows. Maybe I'll try this silver. That seems nice. And they've got some cream cheeks and some lip products. So I think I'll grab some of these. Okay, so we're in the Daiso in the Shinjuku station. And I'm kind of doing two videos. I will separate them, but I'm going to be doing like a recommendations from Daiso, like beauty recommendations. And then I'm gonna be doing like a full face of Daiso makeup. So I kind of already picked it up. So we'll see how it goes, but yeah. Okay, everyone's looking at me, so I'm a little nervous. Okay.
What's still going on?
Oh, you can stop it.
Hello. Editing Morgan is back to intro the second segment of this video. So this is actually a Daiso I went to in Asakusa, and it was a much bigger Daiso. Surprisingly, there was a decent amount of different items from both Daisos. Like I found some stuff in the first Daiso that I didn't find in the second Daiso and vice versa. So I'm sure a lot of it just had to do with stock and whatever they had available at the different locations. But that's the reason why I'm including all of my shopping vloggage onto the longer Daiso vlog.
So this is the building, Rocks, that there's a Daiso in on the 4th floor. So we're gonna head inside and pick up some stuff, walk around Daiso, see what Daiso has to offer. I'm at Daiso, a bigger one now. Look how big it is. All the stickers. So cute. They have all kinds of sponges, little baby ones. I should get one of these. Hello Kitty net. These are for like when you wash your face to make the foam all foamy. So of course they have a Hello Kitty one, but they've got some plain ones here. And some shower caps. These are pretty handy too, like little scrubbers or the silicone exfoliating things. What are they called? Silk cocoon balls. Let's see what else they have. Got like soaps, natural soaps. Oh, these are good too. These are like, if you prefer to like whip up your face wash, you could use something like this instead. These are a little bit easier. All kinds of yarn, wow. I didn't even know Daiso had yarn, like this kind of stuff. Wow,
cute. All kinds. I think I'm gonna get these two. Maybe I'll try this too. All kinds of. Oh, here's konjac sponges. Get 2 of these. Okay. These are pretty too. They have cuter, prettier lashes here. What are these little things? Body milk? Look at the little kitty. Huh. Some pore cleansing pack. Wow, they even have an electric nail polisher for 3,000 or 300 yen. High roller. Oh wow. Look at these eyeshadow colors. Those are pretty. Got like reds even. Oops. Got like Hello Kitty lip gloss. How cute are those? Huh. And they've got this over here. Like peel off nail polish. Interesting. I try to keep my polish from not peeling off. And then here are the hairbrushes. I got one of those already. They have different colors though, if you're in the market. Oh wait, here's the one I got. Boink, boink, boink. Okay, ready to go back down? This is the one in the Rocks 4G, 2G. We're in this building here, if that helps. It's the Daiso on the 4th floor. The Daiso I went to the other day was actually in, I believe, Shinjuku Station. So this one was a little bit bigger, had more selection. Had a lot of the same main stuff that I'd be interested in, but this definitely had like more variety. So I picked up just a couple more things that I am gonna share with you guys. Time to get in the elevator. So I hope you guys enjoyed my ultimate shopping vlog in Daiso, but I just want to make sure that it was very clear to you guys what was going on in this video. If you guys want to see all of the items that I bought accumulatively from these 2 shopping trips, I've already uploaded the haul last year. So yeah, I didn't time that out very well, did I? Nope. I will put the Daiso haul in the description box below, and I'm really excited because now that I've got this shopping tour vlog out, I can start talking more about the Daiso items I purchased from Japan, because since I filmed this, I've obviously had a couple months to try out some of my Daiso goodies, and now I'm really excited to share with you guys which ones I like, which ones I didn't. As always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!